mapping logical behaviors to hardware components, optimizing for performance and resources, usage and verify the design. Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra is a mathematical representation system used to describe and analyze logical relationships. It deals with variables that can make only two variables x, y, and true is one and false is two. Boolean operations. Next topic is Boolean operations and or not and represent the logical conjunction of two propositions if it returns true only if both operands are true, or represents the logical disjunction of proposition. It represents true if at least one operator is true, and not true is a logical negation of a proposition. It returns the opposite value of the operand. Next, start with truth tables. Truth tables are tables used to represent the output of Boolean expression for all possible combinations of input devices. Overview of logical gates and or not. These are the diagrams of and or not. First of all, we take two inputs and we get one output. It represents 0 is equals to a dot b. Inputs. If we take two inputs, then three Boolean operators. First is and, second or, and third is not. And represent the logical conjunction of two propositions. It returns only if both variables are true, or represents logical disjunctions of proposition. It represents true if at least one operand is true, and the third is not true. It is represent the logical negation of proposition. It returns the opposite value of the operand. Next topic is Boolean expression. These are expression forms using Boolean variables and operators. A plus b. If we have at least one value, then we get output is 1. And next topic is NOT gate. NOT gate gives you the opposite complement of given value. It is an importance in circuit design process. Ensure efficient resource utilizing optimization, facility stability, and complex management. Enable busier verification for reliability, accelerates time to market through automation, contribution to cost reduction in hardware and power consumption. So let's summarize our topic with conclusion and summary. In conclusion, Boolean functions and circuit synthesis are fundamental concepts in digital circuit design. Boolean functions provide a mathematical basis for logical operations in circuits. Circuit synthesis translates high-level description into behavior hardware implements efficiently. Let's see some key takeaways. Understanding Boolean function is essential for designing logical circuit. Circuit synthesis